So we want the equation of a plane through 3 points. One of the, we could have, we had our class pad, you just put in the class pad. Almost right answered in, but not quite. So let's have a look what we're going to do. We're going to get a vector A to B and a vector A to C. Benny could have done whatever he wanted, could have done C to B and C to A, but don't do that. A to B is that's up 6. That's all I do is up 6, up 3. Does it make sense if I say up 6? Do you agree? I sometimes wonder. That one's minus 2 to minus 1 is up 1. Oops, I'm minus 1. So really it's minus of minus 2. And that's stupid to think that way. A minus of minus 2, which is 2, plus minus 1, all those plus minuses.
Number line, just do it like that.
Yeah, I almost want to go, there's minus 3 and there's minus 6. So we went down 3. There's 1 and there's 4, so there was 1 and there's 4, so we went up 3. Almost like going back to year 8s or 7s. So that's up 3. And then we get the cross product. How we do the cross product? Your brain will look at that and go, ignore the top 2. Or does it think that? Or do you just go, ignore the top 2 and you go 3 3s are 9? And then you go minus 6, but it's not minus 6, is it? It's 9 minus minus 6. That's where I'm almost tempted to do the 3 brackets, but you see that in another video. So, what was it? 9 minus minus 6. So that's just 15, which is actually the i's. Then ignore those 2. So then you go 18 minus 2. That's an easy one.
But it's a minus, so it's negative.
Oh, there's a minus on the outside, so that's a minus of the j. So I got to go to minus 16. And then I ignore the bottom 2. And that was you were talking about with your father about all that works. So that's minus 18, minus 3, that's minus 21. Then we jump over to R man, which I put over here. And that was interesting while you were doing the other work, talking to Josh, that when he saw that, he didn't realise that that meant that. And then, I think it was Ben said, oh no, Josh said, does that C mean that C? Does that make sense? Yes, go on, talk.
Your perpendicular is wrong.
Oh, my perpendicular's wrong.
I think you did 9 minus 6 instead of 9 minus minus 6.
So did I do?
You didn't add them, you
Yeah.
subtracted.
So what number's wrong?
So
with
it is
those?
15. Those ones are
15's
correct.
right. It's the one that's up there that's wrong.
Oh, there.
There we go. Yeah.
So what did I put a 3 there for?
Because
9
you
minus
subtracted
6, yeah.
6 from 9 instead of adding.
Oh, and these are yucky numbers though.
Oh
Now-
no.
Now, what I was saying before, A, this is what I never thought of saying to I was talking to Ben a moment ago. That A there is any point that's on the plane. So I could have got that one, or that one. So I go that one, minus 2, minus 3, and 1. And we've got time left. Then you got to do the yucky calculation. So, Ethan, probably because it's yucky, I would go that's minus 30, I go that's plus 48, I go that's minus 21. And then what's that? 48 minus 51. So it's minus 3. So our vector equation is 15 minus 16 minus 21, and that's minus 3. And if they said put it in Cartesian, that becomes x, y, z. So that's just the 15 of the x minus the 16 of the y minus the 21. And at this point, I hope I haven't made a mistake.
Yay!
Yay, we're done. How long did that take on?
That was pretty good sticks. And then
Negative 3. And I said, I hope I didn't make a
Oh
mistake.
no.
It's 15x minus 16y minus 21z is.
Negative 3. Yeah.
And then so they were going at the end of the video. Poor Joshy, I go, thanks Joshy.